Good afternoon, dear children. This is your science teacher. Now take out your science textbook and open page number 52. Okay, from your textbook. So, dear children, as you know that we have already talked about the herbs. There are actually the four types of plants. That is herbs, shrubs, trees, okay, and climbers and creepers. So we have already seen about the herbs. So herbs are the plants with green and tender stems, which is called the herbs. The shrubs, the plants have stem branching out near the base. Okay, the stem is hard but not very thick. Okay. Then trees, as you know that trees are very much tall and have hard and thick brown stem. The stems have branches in the upper part much above the ground. Such plants are called as the trees. Okay. Then there we have some climbers and creepers. So plants that take support on neighboring structure and climb up are called as the climbers, and plants with weak stems that cannot stand upright and spread on the ground are called as the creepers. Okay. Then we have also seen some stems, types of stems. So the stems helps the water and minerals to go to the leaves and other plant parts attached to the stem through narrow tubes inside them. Okay, that means stem is having xylem and phloem, that means veins inside it. What are the function of that veins? They just provide water and minerals to the leaves. Okay. Then leaves, the leaves play vital role in plants. Okay, because leaf can make the food. Okay, they can do the process of photosynthesis. So that's why leaves, especially the green leaves, plays very much important role in plant. So the leaf is an organ of plant. The part of leaf by which is attached to the stem is called petiole. Here the petiole. Okay. The broad green part of the leaf is called the lamina. Okay, that means the broad leaf parts. Then the lines on the leaf are called the veins. These are the lines which called the veins. Okay, and the thick vein in the middle is called the midrib. Here, this is the midrib, and the design made by veins in leaf is called the leaf venation. Here, this is known as the leaf venation. So there are two kinds of venation, parallel venation and reticulate venation. You can see this kind of venation in lots of leaves of the plants. Okay, when you see the papaya tree, okay, or when you see the that means China rose, as you know that hibiscus, okay, leaf, you can see the reticulate venation. But when you see the banana leaves, okay, and also grasses, you can see this kind of venation, that is parallel venation. Okay, so there are two kinds of venations. Then transpiration. Okay, water comes out of the leaves in the form of vapor. By the process of transpiration, plant release a lot of water into the air through this process. Okay, by using the stomata. Now we have also seen about the photosynthesis. So leaves prepare their food in the presence of the sunlight, and green colored substance present in them, that is nothing but the chlorophyll. Okay, that is the green color pigment. For this they use water and carbon dioxide. They use water and carbon dioxide from the air. Okay, they use what? They use carbon dioxide from the air and water from the earth. Okay, and this process is called as the photosynthesis. They make food in the presence of sunlight, okay, with the help of chlorophyll. So oxygen is given out in this process. Okay, the food is prepared by the leaves, ultimately gets stored in the different parts of the plant as a starch. So the food prepared by the plant is known as the glucose. Okay, and they prepare their food in the form of carbohydrate. Okay, carbohydrate, and they store their food inside the plant part in the form of starch. Understood? So in this type, the photosynthesis process is done by the plants. Now roots. As you know that roots plays vital role in plant. Because of the roots, plant can suck the water from the earth and provide it to the all parts of the plant, especially for the process of photosynthesis. So roots, what is the function of root? What is the work of roots? They suck, or they carry water and minerals throughout the plant. So the roots help in the holding the plant firmly in the soil. So what is the main function? It can hold the whole plant firmly in the soil. They are said to anchor the plant to the soil. They are the anchor, they are the pillar of the plant. Okay, because of that, the plant can stand upright. Then there are two types of roots. First one is the taproot, second one is the fibrous root. So let's take a look on the taproot. In a plant with a taproot system, the taproot is the largest and most central and the most dominant root from which other roots sprouts laterally. Okay, in taproot you can see only the one single root. Okay, very few branches are there, you can see very few branches, but you can see a very big single root in the taproot. Now what about the fibrous root? A fibrous root system is usually formed by thin, moderately branching roots growing from the stem. So in fibrous root you cannot see a single and very big root. Okay, here you can see the fibrous root. Okay, a very thin layer of roots are there. Okay, and they have branches also. So these are known as the fibrous roots. Okay, so dear children, today we have seen about the some process of photosynthesis. Okay, then we have seen the roots, what is the main function of roots. Okay, then we have also seen the types of roots, that is one is the taproot and another is the fibrous root. Okay, so here we have seen taproots and fibrous roots. So dear children, can you tell me the example of taproot and fibrous root? Yeah, the taproot the very best examples are carrots, and you can see the radish, the beetroot also you can take, because here you can see a single root, a single big root, that is known as the taproot. But fibrous root, you can take an example of grasses. Okay, when you pull out the grasses you can see the various kind of fibrous roots over there. Okay, onion is one of the fibrous root, then wheat, rice. Okay, all these are the fibrous root. When you pull out the root, okay, outside the earth, you can see the structure of the roots. Okay, if you can see this kind of structure, that is fibrous root. Okay, so that means these are known as the fibrous root. And when you see this kind of structure, these are the taproot. Okay, so dear children, this is it for today's video. If you have any problem regarding to this video, you can ask me anytime. Okay, so till then, it's goodbye from my side. Thank you and have a nice day.